Okay, boys and girls, we're going to do some subtraction practice using our number lines. So we're getting really good at using our number lines to add, and so now we're going to use them to subtract. So we just have to go the opposite way of what we have been doing. So in this problem, we have 6 minus 3. So put your pencils on 6, and then I want you to take 3 hops back. Ready? 1, 2, 3. What number did you land on? 3, very good. And if you notice, this is also a doubles problem because if you were going to do the opposite, 3 plus 3 is 6. So see how it's a doubles? It's kind of cool. We're going to talk about that in another lesson. Okay, let's do the next one. 8 minus 2. So put your pencil on 8 and count back 2 hops. 1, 2. What number did you land on? Good, you landed on 6. Nice job. Now we're going to do 5 minus 4. Now, I told you that when you have 2 neighbors that on the number line that are being subtracted, the answer will always be 1. But let's try it on the number line just to see if I'm right. 5, and count back 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did we land on 1? Yep. The answer is always 1 when you have 2 neighbors on the number line that you're subtracting. Now the next problem is 7 minus 1. So when you have a minus 1, it's like a plus 1, only just the opposite. So instead of going to the next number, you go to the number before. So what is the number before? The number before is 6. I want you to try the last 6 problems on your own. So go ahead and push pause, and then when you're ready, push play, and we'll talk about the backside. All right, boys and girls, we are going to do this backside together. I'm going to help you with a couple of these problems, and then I'm going to have you do the rest on your own. So for the first problem, we have 15 minus 8. So using your number line, put your pencil on 15 and count backwards 8 spots. Ready? Give it a try. What number did you land on? Is it 7? Nice job. Good. Okay, let's try the next one. 16 minus 7. So find your number line, put your pencil on 16, and hop 7 spaces backwards. Ready? Go. What did you land on? Did you land on 9? Good, because the answer is 9. Let's do one more together. 12 minus 9. Put your pencil on 12. Count back 9 spaces. Ready? Give it a try. What did you land on? Did you land on 3? Very good, because the answer is 3. So go ahead and stop the video and do the rest of these problems on your own. When you're done, have your teacher check it to make sure they're correct. Good job, boys and girls.